Please announce who are your collaborators if they are here. And mga konting papasalamat if you want to mention someone, this will be a great opportunity to do so.
Of course, yung mga in-interview namin, si Miss Lee na nandito, si Miss Deng, si Doy, and all those people. Actually, alam mo kung ang documentary ko hindi to kay Doy, I don't think they would answer my call. Kaya lang naman umuo mga yan because they're doing it for Doy. Nagulat kami nakuha namin si Miss Charo Santos. As in, because na-minute namin si Charo Santos. Sabi ni Miss Charo Santos, and you are, I'm Milo. And from where? Sabi ko, Sampaloc, Manila. Then I realized, what she was asking is, what company, ano ba? Tinanong ko na, sabi ko, Sampaloc, Manila, and everything. Nung na-realize ko, sabi ko, actually, I noticed, but nag-name drop na ako na and everything. Sabi ko, segue. So, pero lahat ng interview namin, I don't think we were able, hindi namin makakausap yung mga taong yan if we're not doing a documentary on Doy. Si Nick Kyongson, I thought nila ay makukuha and everything. And they were very generous with their time, so I'm very, very thankful. And sa mga nanonood ng docu namin, sabi mo, minsan nag-rewards, may tao ba? And everything. Sabi ko, kahit dalawa lang yan, tatlo lang yan, and everything, that's a win for us. So maraming salamat. And sabi ko nga, if you're a writer, if you're a blogger, if you can write something positive on Doy, write it, then padala nyo sa amin, i-flex namin yan. Kung negative, huwag na kayo magsulat. Kasi kailangan lang talaga namin mga write-ups para we can push this to the schools. Kasi sino ba si Milo? Alam mo yun, parang alam mo yun, kung ang director siguro nito is someone else. So we really want this, if there's one thing that you like, write about it, and so that we can flex it out there, so that people, they'll be interested. Yun lang, kasi ang gusto talaga namin talagang mangyari is, hindi kami nangangarap na pumunta sa mga international film festival. Gusto lang namin talaga dalhin to sa mga schools, yung mga new generation, para malaman nila yung mga pelikula. Hindi lang kasi doon, yung mga pelikula ni Mike De Leon, kung anong saan nanggaling yung cinema, and we want it not just in Luzon, Bisaya, alam mo yun. So, yun lang, please, if you can help us, please, with capital P.
Ayun, speaking of flexing and promoting, you guys can log on to Facebook/Delmundo Documentary so you can have all the updates. And if you want to message us regarding promoting it to schools, please do kasi we're very much open into doing that. And also, ako share ko rin na upon doing this documentary and seeing all the films na nagawa niya, I think my personal favorite has to be Aliwon Paradise. So if you have to see it, please do see it. Kasi nakita kong yung story, the images that are happening there, especially yung kinain ng teacher, yung bote, parang nangyayari niya yun ngayon di ba? So they're all paralleling for content and everything. So yun lang, if you can see it, please do so. Again, Delmundo Documentary, forward us there, follow us, and yun lang, and promote Filipino films.
Last one pala, may Sunday pa. Please support si Nag-Maynila. Alam mo yun, kailangan natin supportahan yung film festival. Kasi 80 years, mahirap mag-produce ng so we really need people to go to the festivals. May another day pa, Sunday, and hopefully ma-extend to, and if it does, and I think there are a lot of films that you should watch. Maraming mga regional films, maraming mga bagong director, bagong kwento. So, please support si Nag-Maynila and everything. And whatever festival would come in the future.
Alright, thank you Direk Milo, Sir Doy, and to our exec producer for participating in this independent cinema and for supporting this meaningful event.